Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on a product here. I'll just get a bit of paper. I've written down, it's called a Fitstill Windslayer. Suitable for the GoPro 9, 10 and 11. Hope it's going to cut the wind noise down. The other product is a Vkesen mini tripod with extension pole. That's what it looks like there. And yeah, so that's just in a packet like that, and that's that. So hope you like this video. Do please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Okay. Okay. Right, that's the Windslayer. Just a bit of foam that goes around the GoPro 11. Holes. So yeah, it looks like that, with a hole on the top, hole on the side, and hole on the bottom. And it also comes with this plastic cap, which I'm assuming is a lens cap. Not too bad. Yeah, so that's what the Windslayer looks like. Hopefully it's supposed to stop the noise on a GoPro. I'm going to try it out. This one here, you get the pin that goes through it, and you get the GoPro. So it just extends out whatever height you want it. So it starts off at 17 centimeters high to there, or 6.7 inches, and then you can extend it out. So it has 4 settings, they said. So you extend it out to the first one, is there. Second one's there. And then you can go right out. There's first settings there, second, third and fourth. And that's maximum. That's the maximum height you got. And it also is a tripod, so you can open it up like that. It's a stable tripod. So it just looks like that. Nice and light, very light. At the moment, that's what I'm using with the quick release top, but I've never quick released it. So that's what I'm going to be using. It'd be good for a selfie stick. I can use the two GoPros. I'm recording on a 7 at the moment. This is my 11. So I'll unscrew that. And then I'll put this windsock on. Just to go that way. Got to match the holes. It's fitted on there now, still room to push the button on top. Just need some adjustments and to get the base down. It's up there. I'm just going to get those little pins in the bottom down on the so that, yeah, you can see what it looks like. I'm hoping it's going to stop the wind. And I will do a test with it. And the lens cap, I'm assuming it's a lens cap. Yeah. And you put the lens cap on and you protect the lens. Still see the back screen, still see the front screen. I reckon it's going to be perfect. Always needs a lens cap, these things. Okay, so I'll just fold that back up again. Push that down again. So that's very neat. Feels good in the hand. Feels much better than this is softer. A bit heavier. This will probably float, this one won't. They got the benefits, but this is what I'll probably be using most of the time. So we just take that off there. So that's what it looks like on there. You could then get it and extend it out. Angle it like that. And have a selfie stick. You could angle it up. And then you can go way above your head and take pictures from, say, almost like a drone height. Not a drone height, but you can know what I mean. You can get above your head and be in a position, another view that you haven't got. That's what I use my drone for. Sometimes getting a shot that's above my head. So, and then you can just open up this tripod here, like that, and that'll be it. You can use it very stable in conjunction with my 7 and my 11. I can use the 2 when I'm working with my videos. Okay, push it back down again. And that's it. just take this cap off, and then you have your fan, but the cap's going to be a good idea. I normally put them in a sock or something like that when I'm moving around. So you just put a cap back on there. Oops. That's it. Still probably put them in a sock, but... And I'm going to try that out when the wind comes up. So, I'll go recover it again. It's a Fitstill Windslayer. Now I paid $18.25 for that, but you get them very prices of eBay. But I wanted one that was delivered in a certain time because I'm going away and I want to try it before I go. So that's why I got that. And the Vkesen mini tripod with extension pole was $40.10. So the longest extension is 51 centimeters, so you can go out 51 centimeters the longest, and the shortest is 17 centimeters, so or 6.7 inches to 20 inches. So they're the difference in heights you can get out of it. I'm thinking it's going to be a very useful addition to the several tripods I have, and also this, I'll probably take that out if I'm going out on a boat or a kayak, but this one is going to be my one I'm going to be using because you never know when you want an extension. Okay, just testing out this Windslayer. Breeze is probably 15 knots, I suppose. Yeah, probably about 15 at the moment. It's picking up, and I'm just got my Hilux in the background just as I'm talking to see if it picks anything up with this Windslayer. So I'm just going to check if my voice is picking up, and also about the wind noise. So, and this is with the Slayer on. And yeah, and I'll take this Windslayer off in a minute and try it without it. Just gonna another few seconds. Yeah, definitely a strong breeze, so you would definitely pick it up. So what I'll do is I'm going to take this off and then try it again. So I'm back here again. I've just taken the Windslayer off, and I'll try it for about a minute and show you the results. Move around a little bit. Yeah, this wind would have definitely been picked up on the mic on the GoPro 11. So it's probably been picking up now, I'd say. decent breeze for a good test. Yeah. Well, I'll check it out anyway and see how it's going. Well, my conclusion to the Windslayer is that it definitely helps. It cuts the wind sound down so it's not as harsh. It softens it, if that's such a word for wind. So it softens it, and it's not as noticeable when you're using it in strong winds. So I believe it definitely is a good option to use. It still picks up my voice, and but it just softens that wind noise that's blowing in it. So I think it's definitely a good choice to use. And when I do go overseas on holidays, I'll be using it and testing it out then. So I'm just explaining the products that I use to people and give them an idea what you can expect from them. I don't expect everybody to go out and buy the products I'm using, but I use them, and I'm just showing them what they're like, what people, what these products are like. Okay, thank you. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.